Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Elite English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sophie.
Hello, Sophie. Hello, everyone. It is so good to be here today.
You sound tired, James.
I am tired. I pressed snooze 3 times this morning. 3 times!
3 times, James? That's a new record.
I know. But I have my coffee now, so I'm ready.
Strong and black, as always?
Of course. That's the only way to wake up.
I still think coffee with hot milk is better. Softer, sweeter.
No way. Real coffee is black. No offense, Sophie.
We will never agree on this. Anyway, today we have a really important topic for you.
Oh, really? What is it?
Something everyone needs one day. Going to the doctor.
Ooh, yes. That's a scary one, especially in another language.
Exactly. But first, before we start,
Ah, yes. Our little reminder.
if you're enjoying Elite English Channel, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
It really helps us, and it helps more people find easy, fun English lessons like this one.
Okay, now let's get into it. Today's topic is English conversation at the doctor's office.
This is so useful. I remember my first time going to the doctor in another country. I didn't know how to explain anything.
What happened?
I just kept saying, "It hurts here," and pointing at my stomach. I just kept saying, "It hurts here," and pointing at my stomach. The doctor probably thought I was crazy.
That's actually a great start, though. It hurts here is useful, but today we're going to teach you much more than that.
Perfect, because health is important. You don't want to be confused when you're sick.
Exactly. So today we'll cover 4 things. First, how to describe your symptoms. Second, useful phrases the doctor might say. Third, how to talk about medicine and prescriptions. And fourth, we'll do a full role play so you can hear everything together.
I love role plays. Can I be the doctor this time?
Actually, I think you should be the patient. You get sick more often than me.
That's true. Last month I had a cold for 2 weeks.
See? Perfect casting.
Fine. Let's start with symptoms. What's a symptom, Sophie? Some listeners might not know this word.
Good question. A symptom is a sign that shows you are sick. For example, a headache, a cough, or a fever are all symptoms.
Ah, I see. So symptom is like the proof that something is wrong.
Exactly. That's a great way to say it.
Okay, so what are the most common symptom phrases?
Let's start simple. You can say, I have a headache. I have a sore throat. I have a stomach ache. I feel dizzy. I feel nauseous.
Wait, nauseous? What does that mean?
It means you feel like you might vomit, like your stomach feels bad and unstable.
Oh, okay. I felt nauseous once on a boat trip. Never again.
Boats are not for everyone.
Definitely not for me. Okay, what other symptom words should people know?
I have a fever. That means your body temperature is too high. I have a runny nose. I have a cough. I feel tired, or I feel weak.
Those are all useful. I use I feel tired every single morning, actually.
That's not a symptom, James. That's just Mondays.
Fair point. Okay, so if you are still listening, comment the word symptom in the comments below. Let us know you're learning with us today.
Yes, we love seeing your comments. Okay, so we have symptoms: pain, fever, tiredness, feeling dizzy or nauseous. What's next?
Now let's talk about what the doctor might say to us.
Great idea. So when you arrive, the doctor or nurse might ask, what brings you in today? Or what seems to be the problem?
Wait, so what brings you in doesn't mean transportation. I thought maybe they were asking how I got there.
No. It just means, why are you here today? It's a polite way to start the conversation.
Ah, I see. That makes much more sense.
The doctor might also ask, how long have you had this pain? Is the pain sharp or dull? Do you have any allergies? Are you taking any medication?
Those are important questions. What does sharp or dull mean when we talk about pain?
Sharp pain is sudden and strong, like a quick stabbing feeling. Dull pain is softer, but it stays for a longer time, more like a constant ache.
Got it. So a headache is usually dull, but if you cut your finger, that pain is sharp.
Exactly. Perfect examples.
This happens to all of us at some point, going to a doctor and not knowing the right words, so this episode is really for everyone.
Absolutely. Okay, so we have symptoms and we have common doctor questions. Now let's move to point number 3, medicine and prescriptions.
Yes, this part always confuses me the most.
Let's start with the word prescription. A prescription is a paper, or now sometimes digital, from the doctor that lets you buy specific medicine at the pharmacy.
So the doctor writes it, and then I take it to buy medicine?
Exactly right.
Okay. What phrases do doctors usually use about medicine?
They might say, I'm going to prescribe you some antibiotics, or take this twice a day after meals, or this should help with the pain.
Wait, what are antibiotics exactly?
Antibiotics are medicine that fight bacterial infections, like if you have a bad throat infection, not just a normal cold.
Ah, I see. So antibiotics don't work for a regular cold.
That's right. Colds are usually caused by viruses, and antibiotics don't help with viruses.
Good to know. Doctors are always saying twice a day or 3 times a day. How do we understand dosage?
Good point. Dosage means how much medicine you take and how often. For example, take 1 tablet twice a day means 2 tablets total, 1 in the morning and 1 at night.
And what if the doctor says as needed?
As needed means only when you actually need it. For example, painkillers as needed means only take them when you have pain, not on a schedule.
That's helpful. I remember being so confused with this at the pharmacy once. I just smiled and nodded a lot.
Classic James move.
Hey, it worked out, eventually.
Okay, so we have symptoms, common doctor questions, and now medicine language. So we have 3 big points. What's the 4th?
The role play. Let's actually practice this together.
Perfect. Everyone listening, get ready because this is where everything comes together. I'll be the doctor, and James, you're the very unlucky patient today.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, here we go. Good morning. What brings you in today?
Good morning, doctor. I have a really bad sore throat and I also have a fever.
I see. How long have you had these symptoms?
About 3 days now. It's getting worse, not better.
Okay, do you have any other symptoms? Cough, headache, body aches?
Yes, actually, I have a headache too and I feel really tired.
All right, let me take a look at your throat. Can you open your mouth, please?
Sure.
I see some redness there. It looks like a throat infection. Do you have any allergies to medication?
No, none that I know of.
Good. I'm going to prescribe you some antibiotics. Take 1 tablet twice a day after meals for 7 days.
Okay, twice a day after meals. Got it.
Also, drink lots of water and rest as much as you can. If the fever doesn't go down in 2 days, come back to see me.
Thank you, doctor. Should I take anything for the headache too?
Yes, you can take a painkiller as needed, but don't take it on an empty stomach.
Understood. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
Okay, that was fun and actually really useful.
See? Now you know exactly what to expect and what to say.
Yes, I feel much more confident now. Even in English, this doesn't feel scary anymore.
That's the goal. Many of you probably feel nervous about doctor visits in English, but with a little practice, it becomes so much easier.
Absolutely. And remember, doctors are patient people. They want to help you. So don't be afraid to ask them to repeat something or explain slower.
Great tip. You can always say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?" Or, "Could you explain that more simply?"
Yes, those phrases are gold. Save them.
So we have symptoms, doctor questions, medicine language, and now our role play. What else, James?
I think that's everything, actually. But this was such a useful episode.
It really was. Health is one of those topics that everyone needs, no matter your English level.
Absolutely. Okay, let's do a quick review before we go.
Sounds good. So we talked about symptoms first, words like headache, sore throat, fever, dizzy, and nauseous.
Yes, and nauseous means feeling like you might vomit.
Right. Then we talked about doctor questions, like what brings you in today, and the difference between sharp and dull pain.
And don't forget what seems to be the problem, another common one.
Exactly. Then we covered medicine words, prescription, antibiotics, and dosage phrases like twice a day or as needed.
And finally, we practiced everything together in our role play at the doctor's office.
A perfect summary. I think our listeners are ready for their next doctor visit now, in any English-speaking country.
I hope so. And if you get nervous, just remember, even we make mistakes sometimes, like me pointing at my stomach and saying, "It hurts here."
Honestly, that's still a great sentence to know.
True, true.
Okay, everyone, thank you so much for listening today.
Yes, thank you for spending this time with us. We really appreciate it.
Don't forget to subscribe to Elite English channel, like this video, and share it with a friend who is learning English too.
It really helps us keep making these free lessons for everyone.
And here's our question for you today. Tell us in the comments, what's a symptom or health phrase you already know in English?
We love reading your answers, so don't be shy.
Thank you again, everyone. This was Sophie
And James.
from Elite English channel. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Take care of yourselves.